Okay, there's Parisian, so we're gonna go check it out and see if it's empty or not during the COVID-19. And this is the Cotai Strip as well, and right here we're at Studio City. So I had another video where I went to see how empty that was, so you can check that out as well. It's pretty impressive actually. Okay, let's go check out the Parisian right over there. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is Cotai Strip, and we're going to be checking out this, but I kind of want to capture this right here because this is looks like something that you would see out of Paris, I guess, right? I don't know what building that would be in Paris, but anyways, let's go check it out. Okay, we're getting a little closer. There's the Eiffel Tower and on this green structure. Not sure, must be the same color as Paris. Anyways, we're gonna go inside in a minute, and when we get in there, just see if maybe you can just count how many tourists you see. If there's a lot of tourists, we'll see how many foreigners you see, or you can just count and see how many masks you see. So let's just take a look and we'll see how empty or how full it is during this COVID-19. It is May 3rd, so no foreigners are allowed in or out, but I see a little bit of mainland Chinese activity, tourists. I'm not sure what that's all about. Supposedly we're all shut down. I don't know. Anyways, we'll go in and we'll take a look and see what it looks like in there. I'm probably gonna have a heat check, so I might turn off the camera. Okay, let's see. Entrance. I don't see a heat check. Huh. Oh, there it is. Look. That's a heat check right there. So there's another heat check. Okay, so tourists, I guess we have 6. So you can count those if you want. Otherwise, it looks pretty empty. Got a few around, but this is kind of the main entrance. So this would usually have, 50 people, 80 people. You wouldn't be able to get this shot without anybody in it, usually. I can get one right in there, though. Guy with a hat. That might be, what, number 7 for tourists. So anyways, this is kind of what this place looks like, Venetian. Over there is the floor for all the casino players. I can't take the camera in there. And I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go up to the shops and try to look down into this. Let's do that right now. This is what I call chandeliers. So we'll just check out and see what else we can see. This is a more interesting spot. So actually there's a little mini Eiffel Tower there and some other stuff, but we're gonna go into this one because this one overlooks the same one. As far as tourists and masks wearing, I see a handful of tourists. Actually, these 2 tourists are looking into maps, so that implies they're tourists, right? I guess it could be a local. But, okay, let's just take a look here. Alright, let's keep on going. So I don't know if these are French things. That looks like something I might see in New Orleans a little bit. So it must be related to France, I guess. My knowledge of France isn't that high, actually. I like to travel a lot, and I like a lot of different stuff, but check out this chandelier. Okay, so anyways, getting another feel for, but basically this Parisian, for people that aren't really sure what it looks like, basically it's a lot of tourists come in and take a lot of pictures, and then they'll walk through. And there's also a food court up there, and things are written in French like that, and some things are written in different languages. I guess the order is French, even though it's international now. That one has a little bit of Chinese, but for the most part they'll have kind of a mix, right? I think the French is all fashion oriented, so let's just kind of keep on going and we'll just check out and see a lot of chandeliers here. Okay, we're going to continue. So this is up on the next floor, so we're just going to continue down, and there's some more similar alleys, and we kind of got this cool thing right here too, right? So, okay. For some reason my camera keeps going off. Okay, battery issues. These GoPros aren't the best cameras for batteries. I bought like 4 of them, and they still overheat in very short periods of time. And it's my second GoPro that I've. Okay, so there's the sky up here, which is pretty cool. I'd like to focus on it, but I feel like my battery's gonna keep dying on me. So I don't know, camera. I don't know if it's overheating. So let's get right into this food court. Actually, I have 4 batteries from these GoPros, and they just keep dying. It's pretty cool. I like this color green. It's really beautiful. So we'll just kind of continue on. So if you want to count how many tourists or foreigners, I would think that these people here are probably working here, but we're going to be concluding this. Dang it. Okay, we conclude this right here. But all these are kind of chains. So actually, I see these everywhere: Treasure Lake, Taste of Nanyang, Ocean Empire, and then this one's kind of unique. This over here is a Vietnamese one, French Vietnamese, which is pretty cool. Tank battery. Okay, so but we have some cool stuff here, like this French one right here, and this Azores, which is a Portugal island off the coast of Portugal, and then this is that Vietnamese French one that's actually a lot of people come here to eat here, and I think. Okay, for whatever reason, I just can't seem to be able to film it here very well. So we're gonna close it here. If you want to count the foreigners and see how many counted, let me know. Might be interesting. Some of them look like they work here up in the food court, but otherwise it's fairly empty, and this is kind of COVID-19 days, May 3rd. So all right, make a comment below if you want me to film in here some more. I definitely can. I didn't really get into details that I would have liked to because of the issue. Okay, we're gonna end this one right here. Man, that would have been cool. I could have gone up there too, and probably all empty. I'll try to do it on another time. Just can't seem to get this battery to stay working for me. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this one. Pretty cool music. Fade out with this until this thing dies and see how long it'll last before it dies again. But hope you like it. Make a comment below. Definitely will come back and explore more, especially if there's some support or interest in it. Yeah, now you don't die, eh, battery? Funny. Okay. Chiquinha.